Alright guys, this is a video. This car, I had another video, the car was running, it's making noise, tap noise in the top end. I got a stethoscope. It's coming over here on this side when I had the valve cover on, and went to do a valve clearance limit on it. So I can show you guys real quick what I found here. So if you look at, this is cylinder number 2 here, 15 Pathfinder, 246, this is number 2. Right under here, got the intake valve, and if I could show you guys, see that? Trying to get a feeler gauge underneath. Look at that. It ate away. Look at that. You see the edge here? Get some here, guys. Show you. Look at this. Look at that. See those marks? Ate away at all that. From all this clearance. Look at that. That's what's doing the knocking noise. 15 Pathfinder, 600 miles.